So, are you more excited about what? Looking at yourself on the camera or playing with, oh, princess, princess, princess. Relax, princess, princess. It's okay, princess. It's okay. Oh, shoot. Hello? Hello? Yes, I just started over here, obviously, and that the package has not arrived. Where are you going to be? Because, you know, we could come back after playgroup, and if the package is here, we could bring it to you. Where's that? Oh, okay. Okay, wonderful. Yeah, I'm listening. Okay. Right, I understand. Okay. Okay. Well, we'll be here till we leave for playgroup, and then as soon as playgroup ends, I'll come back here and I'll call you, let you know what's going on. 10 to 11. So I'm here for another half hour, and then we'll be back after playgroup, and I'll call you then. I'll call. Obviously, if something happens before playgroup, I'll call you immediately. Okay. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye bye. Okay. You're meowing like a cat? Go see the cat.
Rise up. Help. Help. More.
Don't you think she's beautiful? Well, you know, what's the difference what she looks like? You can't see her anyway. What?
You're not ordering the tape, the video?